Janet Nosworthy, the woman, is present, and she is always troubled by human rights. But that part of her has to recede, and she would have to, and I would have to approach the evidence in a very, very technical way and deal with it in terms of legal principles and assessment of the evidence according to those legal principles. And the human rights, how the human rights it would be used is in relation to the rights that are guaranteed by the statute and the rules to a fair trial. And I think that would be the approach, rather than to allow the human side of you to surface. So I think sometimes you have to hold it back a bit. It will stay with you insofar as you realize that man to man is unjust. And what you can do is see how you can help to redress human rights breaches in your own country, and how you can work through your work, help to make the system right. And I have always thought perhaps that in terms of human rights, there are also two sides to every story, because sometimes in the course of the conflict, one side is demonized, and one side is the devil, and the other side are the angels. Whereas in these conflicts, there are two sides to every story. And if you listen to the demons sometimes, they have their own stories to tell. But I think the human side of it, you always have to try and put a human face on the law, but you have to do it within the strictures of the legal principles and the things that should properly inform your judicial decision.